Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous sessions, we successfully built a high performance advanced search and filtering system for our skill shop. Today we are moving into the most critical part of the customer journey, the single product view page. This is the page where a visitor becomes a student. It is where they analyze the course details, check the instructor's credibility, and finally hit that Enroll Now button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PHP to dynamically fetch a specific product data based on its unique ID and how to use Tailwind CSS to build a premium conversion focused layout. This is my final output of our single view product page. So this session is the first thing a user sees. So we use high contrast to grab attention. The background uses a rich name which makes the white typography look premium and reduce eye strain. At the very top, skills and design. We provide a navigation path so users never feel lost on the site. Using Pill Sharp badges for beginner and enrolled provides instant status updates. The green enrolled badge uses a checkmark icon to give the users a sense of achievement. And we have split the page into logic cards using a white background and subtle shadows to separate different types of informations. First, about an included section, using soft green background for the what is included, items make the benefits feel positive and rewarding. Reviews layout. The review section uses a large communicating quality to the buyer. The More Buy section, this is the vital marketing design choice. It encourages the user to stay on the platform and explore more of Sahan Pereira's work, increasing portional sales. And look at this sticky sidebar, conversion engine. This is the most important part of the UI because it contains the call to action. The price is bold and large, making the premium focus of the sidebar. We used a vibrant blue for the Enroll Now button. Blue creates a feeling of trust and professionalism, which is perfect for an educational platform like our Skillshop. Providing add to cart and watch list right below the main CTA gives users secondary option if they are not ready to buy immediately. The list at the bottom, level students and rating, use clean icon to summarize technical details without clutter in the main content area. And the instructor card use a consistent double S logo and status how long the instructor has been on the platform, like since February 2026, using three distinct background colors, blue, green and yellow, for the instructor's status, help the user quickly scan the teacher's celebrity. And also you can see the review section and more by the seller. You can see the other products of the seller. Now let's dive into our code. The top section uses a dark theme to make the course title stand out instantly. BG gradient to BR from Slate 900, BIA Blue 900 to Blue 900. For a professional deep look, the background image has an opacity 10 and blur SM effect, so it adds texture without distracting from the text. The badges use semi-transparent backgrounds like BG Blue 500 divided by 3. This is a modern glass mobism effect that looks great against dark backgrounds. The heading use text 3XL, MD text 4XL, font extra bold. By making the title significantly larger than the subtext, we immediately tell the user what this page is about. We used a light background for the main body to provide high readability for the course details. Each section about, included and reviews is wrapped in a BG white card with a rounded 2XL and a subtle shadow SM. This keeps the information organized and easy to digest. In the What is Included section, we use PG Green 50 for the items. Soft colors like green signal value which subconsciously makes the course more attractive to the buyer. For the reviews, we use a bold fifth next to yellow stars. This social proof is essential for marketplaces, as users look for high ratings before making a purchase. The right column is designed to stay in view as the user scrolls, keeping the purchase option always accessible. We use text 2XL font extra bold for the price. Placing it right above the button ensures the user sees the value before the action. The Enroll Now button uses a vibe from blue 600 to indigo 600 gradient. This high contrast against the white card makes it the most clickable element on the screen. The loop at the bottom of the card uses simple emojis and labels to summarize technical details like level, students, and adult without requiring the user to read long paragraphs. The instructor card features a gradient avatar. This creates a personal brand for Sahan Pereira seller. Using three distinct soft colored boxes, blue, green, and yellow, for courses, student, and rating, helps break up the text and presents the instructor, and that's wrap on the design breakdown for our Skillshop product details page. We have used Tailwind CSS to build a high conversion layout that balances a high impact dark hero section with clean, readable content cards. By focusing on visual hierarchy and instructor credibility, we doesn't just look good but actually helps users feel confident in their learning journey. So this is the end of today's video, and thank you very much for staying with me, and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.